noticed few amazing features of pre-PG like PrepDNA to keep an eye on my own preparation and daily progress. I bought premium subscription of app and was able to do more focused preparation with filters of MCQ as per requirement and daily guided revision along with explanations. I did my practice with pre-PG and I would like to give credits of my success to pre-PG app. Warm greetings to all of you. I am Dr. Pushpam Prashar and I recently cleared my FMGE June 2023, fortunately in my second attempt, and I scored 183 marks. Well, the sole purpose of this video is to address some of the basic strategies and issues which most of the FMGE students face during their preparation. I basically hail from a small village in Bihar and did my MBBS from a government medical university in Ukraine. To be honest, I was always a below average student, but somehow I dreamed to pursue career as a doctor. After completing my graduation in the era of COVID outbreak and Russia-Ukraine war, I started to prepare for FMGE January 2023. I started to study contents from online platforms but unfortunately was not able to crack the exam. I tried to analyze various aspects of my preparation like why even after going through all video lectures and notes I didn't pass. The only thing which I felt was lacking in my preparation was practice of MCQs. In the final paper I got confused in simple things and marked answers wrong, although I knew it. The other reason which I felt was like we have 19 subjects and after completing 5-6 subjects I started to forget content which I learned from very first subject. I discussed these problems with some of my educators and more or less got similar suggestions to focus on practicing more and more MCQs. They suggested to practice mixed MCQs for 2 hours daily as routine along with revision of notes. Then I started to download some random apps on my phone to practice MCQs and got familiar with pre-PG app. I noticed few amazing features of pre-PG like PrepDNA to keep an eye on my own preparation and daily progress. I bought premium subscription of app and was able to do more focused preparation with filters of MCQ as per requirement and daily guided revision along with explanations. As a result, after 5 months in FMGE June 2023, I finally scored 183 marks and passed this first step in my career. These words may sound you like a promotion of pre-PG, but trust me, the only thing which I want you people to understand is the importance of practicing more and more MCQs and their repetitive revision. I did my practice with pre-PG and I would like to give credits of my success to pre-PG app. Thank you so much.